AscendTMS, the world's #1 rated TMS software. How is it that the logistics industry is on the verge of autonomous trucks, but we still have to deal with the pain of making almost hourly check calls to keep up on our drivers' locations? You would think that in this day and age, we would have instant visibility into their location without having to download third-party applications or installing costly equipment. Well, that's where AscendTracker comes in to save your day. The original standalone text-to-track, it's super easy not only to get started with, but even easier to use. But instead of just talking about it, let me show you how amazing it is in action. From your AscendTracker command center, you can send one-time tracking requests directly to your driver's cell phones. No load information is required, and you instantly get drivers' locations fed back to your map in real time. Drivers will even be able to respond back to your request with either canned responses like this, or custom text responses that is just like they were texting you directly to your cell phone. This technology will also allow them to upload documents directly from their phone to your AscendTracker, so you can instantly have signed bill of ladings, proof of OS&D, and more. And the drivers still haven't had to download an app yet. If you want the scheduled tracking, you can set up one-click lane building, click the enable AutoTracking feature, and not only schedule the tracking to occur in the future, but continuously track the driver in whatever time interval you or your customer desire. All of this can be monitored from our easy-to-use load log, with all updates and responses in one easy place for you and your users to access. Now you're probably thinking, what's the catch? And honestly, there is none. Unlike the other guys that offer confusing tiered pricing, for a flat price of $79 per month per user, you'll have unlimited tracking, and there's zero contracts, zero risk, and zero reason to not get started today. Not to mention that it's literally 2 inches away from the full AscendTMS suite at no additional cost to you. Now for a quick fire Q&A round where I cover all AscendTracker can do for you. Will it have automatic breadcrumb tracking on your interval schedule? Yep. Can it cover both single driver load location and teams? Sure will. Can I make sure the driver is where he says he is pre-pickup? You bet your ass. Can it help provide digital proof of deliveries? Of course. Does it have live driver texting both to and from the driver without using your personal cell phone? Yeah, it does. So what are you waiting for? You can get started today by going to the free loadtracker.com and getting your free 30-day trial. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to my amazing customer support specialists at support@InMotionGlobal.com. AscendTMS, the logistics software for everyone. To stay up to date with the latest help videos and tutorials for AscendTMS, click that subscribe button. That way you can always be the first to know.